In the ever-evolving world of automotive design, manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and style to attract buyers. Flashy features, cutting-edge electronics, and futuristic interfaces are often marketed as must-have upgrades that promise convenience, efficiency, or luxury. While some of these innovations do bring genuine improvements in safety, comfort, and performance, many are little more than high-tech gimmicks, more about marketing appeal than long-term practicality. Worse, they can compromise core vehicle functions, lead to increased maintenance costs, or even pose safety risks. In many cases, they solve problems that didn't exist or make once simple systems needlessly complicated. Here are 7 of the most problematic modern car features that may be silently sabotaging your vehicle's reliability and your wallet. 1. Electronic gear selectors. Modern gear shifters have increasingly moved away from the tried-and-true mechanical designs that provided drivers with direct, tactile control for generations. In an effort to modernize interiors and create a more high-tech feel, many automakers now equip vehicles with electronic gear selectors, ranging from rotary dials and touch-sensitive panels to joystick-like levers. While these designs may appear sleek and futuristic, they introduce unnecessary electronic complexity into a system that was once simple and reliable. Unlike mechanical linkages, these electronic shifters depend on sensors, actuators, and control modules to communicate with the transmission. There have even been documented cases of rollaway accidents where drivers mistakenly believed the car was in park, only to have it move unexpectedly because the system failed to engage properly. In essence, these modern shifters sacrifice dependability for design, creating the potential for costly repairs and dangerous situations, all in the name of style over substance. 2. Overcomplicated infotainment systems. Infotainment systems are designed to enhance the driving experience by integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls into a central touchscreen interface. While this level of connectivity and convenience can be appealing, it often comes at the cost of both usability and long-term reliability. Tasks that were once simple, like adjusting the air conditioning or changing the radio station, now frequently require navigating through multiple layers of touchscreen menus, which can be distracting and potentially dangerous while driving. Unlike traditional knobs and physical buttons, which offer tactile feedback and rarely fail, touchscreens are vulnerable to software bugs, system freezes, and physical wear, such as unresponsive screens or delaminated displays. To make matters worse, repairing or replacing a modern infotainment system is rarely cheap, particularly once the vehicle is out of warranty. Ultimately, while these high-tech interfaces may look sleek, their complexity and fragility can turn a convenient feature into a major headache. 3. Auto stop-start systems. Auto stop-start systems, designed to automatically shut off the engine at stops, like red lights or in heavy traffic, are often promoted as eco-friendly innovations that help reduce fuel consumption and emissions. While the idea sounds good in theory, in practice, these systems can negatively impact long-term vehicle reliability. Frequent engine restarts place additional strain on critical components such as the starter motor, battery, and even the ignition system. Over time, the repeated stopping and starting can also cause stress on engine mounts, contributing to vibrations, rough idling, and reduced drivetrain smoothness. 4. Run-flat tires. Run-flat tires are marketed as a convenient solution to flat tires, allowing you to continue driving for a limited distance, typically 50 to 100 miles after a puncture, which eliminates the immediate need to stop and change a tire or carry a spare. While this sounds like a smart innovation, the reality is far less reassuring. Over time, the added stiffness can also place extra strain on your suspension components, potentially leading to premature wear and expensive repairs. Additionally, run flats are significantly more costly than standard tires and often cannot be repaired after a puncture, even in cases where a traditional tire might be salvageable. To make matters worse, vehicles equipped with run flats usually don't come with a spare tire at all. So if the tire is damaged beyond its limited post-puncture range due to a blowout or sidewall tear, you could end up stranded. 5. Electronic parking brakes gone are the days when a simple mechanical handbrake lever provided a direct and reliable method of securing your vehicle. Today, electronic parking brakes, typically activated by a button rather than a lever, have become increasingly common, even in entry-level cars. While they may appear more modern and convenient, these systems come with a host of reliability concerns that drivers often discover too late. A malfunction can leave you unable to disengage the brake, rendering the car immobile and potentially requiring a tow. In cold climates, they're especially vulnerable to freezing, and in the event of a dead battery, the brake may remain locked, complicating jump starts or emergency situations. Repairing or diagnosing issues with these systems often demands dealer-level tools and expertise, making even minor problems costly to fix. Ultimately, while electronic parking brakes might save space and offer automatic engagement, they sacrifice the simplicity and dependability that many drivers took for granted with traditional mechanical handbrakes. 6. Adaptive suspension systems. Adaptive or active suspension systems are designed to enhance ride quality and handling by automatically adjusting the stiffness and damping of your car's suspension in real time, responding to road conditions, vehicle speed, and driving behavior. While this technology sounds impressive and can deliver a smoother or sportier driving experience, it comes with a significant downside in terms of complexity and long-term reliability. Repairing these components is often extremely costly, with replacement parts and labor quickly adding up to thousands of dollars. In fact, it's not uncommon for frustrated owners of high-end or performance vehicles to abandon the adaptive system entirely, opting instead for simpler, more durable traditional suspension setups. Unless you frequently drive in conditions that truly benefit from adaptive damping, such as track racing or highly variable terrain, the added complexity and expense often outweigh any real-world advantage, making it a feature best avoided for those who prioritize reliability and lower maintenance costs. 7. Panoramic sunroofs. Panoramic sunroofs are often marketed as luxurious upgrades that enhance the driving experience by flooding the cabin with natural light and creating an open, spacious atmosphere. However, beneath their aesthetic appeal lies a range of long-term reliability issues. Such leaks can result in costly damage, including mold growth in the headliner or carpets and short circuits in the car's electronic systems. The tracks and motors that operate the sunroof are also complex and prone to malfunction, particularly if debris gets lodged in the mechanism or lubrication wears off. Ultimately, while panoramic sunroofs may offer a touch of elegance, they often bring more trouble than they're worth, making them a risky feature for those who prioritize long-term reliability and low maintenance. Thanks for watching and subscribing, channel.